Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shake video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click New Project. Add the video that you want to edit. Click Add. Okay. Now click on the effect. Click Video Effect and click Basic. In here you can see shake effect, this one, and then click on it.
When I do the dishes,
You can adjust the effect, just click on the adjust, adjust the speed and intensity
when I do
like
when I
this,
do the dishes,
and then click check icon and set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. Now
when I
you
do the
can
dishes,
make a shake video on CapCut
when I do
apps.
the dishes.
I hope you found this video
Hello,
to
this
be
is Kat.
helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider
When I
like,
do the
comment, and
dishes.
subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.